Hey guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video we'll be talking about how to remove the background from any photo in the simplest way possible. So first we would edit the image in PicsArt, then we would go for the cutout, and then we would sort the image like this. We would create this sticker. As you can see guys, here in PicsArt you can refine the edges by selecting the brush tool. Just like this, you can make little adjustments and make it more sharper, as sharp as you can. Then we will select the save option from here. As you can see guys, the image is, the background is removed from the image, from the photo, and then we can just fit it in this, like if you want, fit it. If not, we can keep it as it was, like this, like a sticker. We can take it like this.